Hey there, in this video we are going to discuss about the main differences between storing the strings with character arrays and storing the strings with string class. Let's quickly discuss about them. I'm extremely sorry for this bad handwriting, but I hope you will be able to understand from this small diagram that I have shown over here. See, the first main difference between string class and character array is between the syntax. String class has a simpler syntax as compared to character array. So the syntax for creating string or for storing the string using string class is little simple as compared to the syntax with character arrays. So you can see the difference. You just need to write string followed by name of the string followed by the string itself. In case of character array, you will need to write char followed by name of the array followed by square bracket. So this adds extra complexity, okay, which is not present in the string class syntax. So the syntax is little simpler in case of string class. The another main difference between the string class string and a character array is that string class is going to provide multiple inbuilt operations, okay, and we are going to discuss about these operations in the next video, but we get tons of inbuilt operations that we can perform on the string, okay. But in case of character array, we don't get any inbuilt operations. We can't perform any inbuilt operation, or we don't get any inbuilt operation on the character array, and that's the reason it's not that powerful when it comes to performing operations on the string. Because see, whenever we store the strings into the memory, we usually need to perform some operations on them, and if we are getting inbuilt operations, inbuilt support for the common operations, then that's good for us, right? Because then we'll need to write less amount of code. So that's why string class is going to be helpful for writing the code for the strings. All right, the next important difference between the string class and the character array is strings can change their length at the runtime if you declare them with the string class, okay. So if you create a string using a string class, then the strings can change their length at runtime. So whenever your program is running at the runtime, you can add some characters to the string, you can remove some characters from the string. That is feasible with the string class variable, okay, but it is not feasible with the character arrays. For the arrays, this is kind of an limitation, I'll say. Whenever you create an array and once you define size for that array, the fixed amount of memory gets allocated for your array, okay, and that is going to stay fixed until and unless your program dies, or till the point your program is live, okay. It is always going to be fixed. It is very hard to modify that memory or to extend that memory or to shrink that memory, and that's the reason strings, when they are stored with character arrays, they're kind of static. It's very hard to resize them. It's very hard to resize them. That's why this is kind of an important difference. If you create string using string class, then you can resize them at runtime, but if you create them with a character array, then you can't resize them, okay. Whatever size your character array is getting, it will be fixed for the entire life of the program, okay. So these are the three differences. I hope you will keep these three differences in your mind.